Hey everyone, Mike Sherry with Paul Sherry Used Cars, and today I'm driving a pre-owned pickup truck. This is really a unique truck. It's a 2018 Ram 1500 EcoDiesel. It's got the 3-liter EcoDiesel, and I'm actually driving down the road right now. I'm just about ready to pull in the dealership, but I wanted you just to listen to it. Sometimes you're driving diesels and they're so loud you can't hear yourself think. This one's super quiet, really comfortable drive. It's pretty much a brand new truck. It's got just under 28,000 miles on it right now, and it's also a Chrysler certified pre-owned truck, which I'll get into that later in the video, what that means for you as a consumer. But you know, a lot of times I do these videos to review them, to say the good, the bad, the ugly, that type of thing. This one, it's all good. So I'm going to flip this camera around. I'm about ready to back up into my video slot, and we'll get started on this. Notice the 8.4-inch touchscreen rear view camera turns right on as soon as I turn this convenient shifter knob into reverse. Also has the lines there so I know where I'm going. Green means I got a lot of space before I hit that wall. Yellow means I've got just a little bit, and red means you better stop on those lines there. We'll just go ahead and get started with the radio since I'm here. Again, 8.4-inch, has your AM, FM, and Sirius. It's got connectivity for an aux cord, Bluetooth, and 2 USB ports. This does have heated and air-conditioned front seats. Everyone loves the heated seats. The air-conditioned seats are just as nice in the summertime, I'm telling you. Also heated steering wheel, which I love on a day when it's 32 degrees out. It's got the app tab there. Here's your controls for your various seat selections that I just mentioned, and also the steering wheel. It does have navigation built in, and it is got the Uconnect pairing for your phone for hands-free phone use. Again, shifter knob here, it really frees up this space here so you don't have anything here or along the side of the steering wheel. Is 4-wheel drive. This is you can do 4 auto, 2-wheel drive, 4 low, and 4-wheel drive lock. It is prepped with a brake controller from the factory, which I always appreciate. These are progressive brake controllers, and it's nice having it built into this area instead of right here where your knee goes, at the knee board there below the steering wheel, where you have to put them aftermarket, right? This vehicle is rated to tow up to 9,200 pounds. Again, there's even more ways to do the seats right here, for both air conditioned and heated seats, steering wheel, driver and passenger side. Has the tow haul button, which is going to transform the gear ratios back there in the transmission for better towing, and it has a 115-volt outlet and a little nook here for storage. Coming over to the steering wheel, on the dash itself, the gauges, we got our DEF gauge, no lights or anything of that sort on here, speedometer, fuel gauge, all that looks really nice and crisp. Controls for what you see up here on the screen is going to be right here to your left, and also you have your hands-free phone connectivity. Behind here there's actually a couple buttons. I always show those in my videos. Those are going to be for your radio, both volume and tuning on this side, volume behind on this side. Cruise control right here, and you can also do automatic gear selections here. This does have power windows, power locks, and power mirrors. Now if I push this button here in the center, watch what happens to that mirror. Folds in electronically. I love, you know, bigger truck, you park on the street, tight parking spots, you don't want anyone ripping off your mirror, so it's nice to get that done there. Automatic headlights here. And coming up here, it does have the power rear window. If I push this button here, that rear window is going to open up there, so it's nice so you don't have to climb back there to open that space up there. 3 programmable garage door remote controls right up here. There it shows. And a self-dimming day and night mirror. Coming down here in more the center console, it has a spot for your phone. You can see my phone here. There's another spot right there. It's got an old school cigarette lighter, power adapter, a couple beverage holders there, change spot for paper, 2 USB ports that are connected to that radio, and an aux port. And then there's even more storage down there. That's where you put your football. or maybe a helmet or something. A lot of space is what I'm trying to say. All right, I believe this completes the inside. Let me check here. The glove compartment does have the original owner's manual in this, and I do want to mention this is a one owner. I just checked the AutoCheck on this, true one owner. I'm going to leave this vehicle running because I want you to hear it. It's very quiet outside with the 6-liter EcoDiesel. This is the brilliant red paint. It's two-tone with gray at the bottom. Really looks slick all the way around. Pardon the little bit of snow. We got a little snow shower this morning, but it does have the chrome insert for the grille. Fog lights down below, chrome bumper down there. Really sets it off and really goes well with this two-tone paint job. This truck is a hard-to-find pickup truck. Brand new. These run in the $60,000 range, and you can click below for current pricing on this, but time of shooting this video, it is just below $40,000. Being a Chrysler certified pre-owned, you're going to get a little extra warranty on. This does have backup camera right there. The dampening tailgate, notice how slow that's going down so it doesn't slam down. Nice clean bed. Really doesn't look like it's been used too much as a work truck or anything like that. It's your hitch, receiver, chrome exhaust tips, dual exhaust tube built into the bumper. I love how they do that on these Rams. 20-inch wheels. The tires are original, but they have good tread with just 27,000 miles on it. This is a crew cab, which is the big cab. So the back seat here, let's check this out. It's going to give you enough room for a full-size adult. I'm 6 foot and I can fit in these well. The floor mat back here is the rubber floor mat, so it's going to be nice on a snowy day like today to keep it clean. It is a Laramie truck, so you're going to get the leather standard. Seats flip up. This has got a speaker back here, but that can be removed if you want it for storage, and then there's going to be storage underneath that spot. Beverage holder there. This kind of flips over here for a nice flat area for your extra cargo space. Beverage holder in between. And I've been promising you this. This is a Chrysler certified pre-owned, so it comes with a 7-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. That's everything that spins the wheels, engine, driveline, transmission. Also comes with a 3-year, 3-month maximum care coverage. Pretty much anything on this vehicle will be covered for that first time. So if you think, man, I don't like buying a used vehicle because there's always stuff, that's your reassurance that everything will be good. If it's not, it'll be fixed. A 125-point inspection is done before the sale. You get your history report, 24-hour roadside assistance, 3 months free of satellite radio, and a car rental allowance if for some reason it would need to go into the shop. If you're looking for a sweet ride, this truck's rated at 27 miles per gallon combined, being a diesel Ram 1500. What a truck. Come see us here at Sherry Chrysler. We welcome you in with over 300 cars in stock. A lot of really nice rides like this one. If this one's for you, give us a call. Leave some information how to contact us below. Financing is available with approved credit. And boy, the interest rates and payments I've seen here lately are super low. The banks are aggressive, so it's a great time to lock in that low interest rate, and low interest rate means low payments. So I'll put the link below where you can get pre-approved without ever coming into the store and get that done and save you time here while you're out traveling around. So I hope you like this review. If you do, please leave us some comments below of what you like to see and what you don't. Thanks for watching.